about this sentence. You have to listen carefully, and without sentence, we are not able to express any type of words. So first of all, you tell me, sir, what is the meaning of sentence and how many kinds of its, write its name. And I think then I not teach you. You are the new student for me, but I'm saying very clearly. You have to listen properly. What am I telling to you? And if it is essential, then you have to do. What is sentence? A group of words. A group of words which has meaningful sense. Meaningful sense. It is called tense. So that it is called sentence. Sentence. So dear students, again you have to listen. What is sentence? And a group of words which has meaningful sense. It is called sentence. Again you have to listen carefully. A group of words which has meaningful sense. It is called sentence. It is called sentence. SENTENCE. It is called sentence. And now, as for example, give the example for making a sentence, what type of things are required. So generally we can see for making sentence require subject, verb, plus object, and later on form this subject. Mohan goes to market. And in this, Mohan goes to market. So now in this sentence, Mohan is called subject, and goal is called the verb, and market is called the object. OBJECT, object. So that's why you have to listen. What is sentence? A group of words which has the meaningful sense. It is called sentences. Later on, and now again we are going to do there are, just a minute, wait only. Now there are four kinds of sentence. These are number one is declarative sentence. Declarative sentence. Second is called the imperative sentence. Relative sentence. Third is known as interrogative sentence. Gative sentence. And the last one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. So that's why again I am going to focus on it. What is sentence? A group of words which has the meaningful sense is called sentence, and for making a sentence it requires subject, verb plus object. Now she is going to market, Mohan goes to market, and all these are the example of the sentence. And sentence is required subject, verb and the object. On the basis of this, there are the four kinds of sentence. The first is called declarative sentence. Declarative, it means Mohan has gone to market. Today is Sunday and boys are playing in the field. So this is called the declarative. And the second is called the imperative. In Hindi, that is called example. That means I am telling to you, give the order, command or request. It is come in the imperative sentence. If I am telling to you, please give me a glass of water. Please give me a glass of water. Go outside. It's order. And give me a glass of water. It is the request. And the other, can you help me please? Can you help me please? Is indicate the request. And the other one, go and bring a glass of water. Have you done your homework? And now what are you doing? So all these things come in the imperative. And third is called interrogative. In the prashnatmak vak. Ki now what are you doing? And have you completed your homework? So that type of the questions arise. Of this question, that is called the interrogative. And now the exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory, it is known as the Bismiyadi Bodhak. And exclamatory sentence have to express to happiness, sorrow and emotion. Now the sentence like this: hooray, India win this match. Allah sees no more. So Allah sees no more. It indicates we have to heartily sorrow. And whenever you see, whenever India win this match, as a lover of the cricket, each and everybody have to enjoy this celebration, and they say that hooray, India win this match. Allah sees no more. So that, and now bravo also comes in the exclamatory words. And now you see that this type of sentence we are going to do. And dear students, and now I give you some example of it. Some example of it like this. You give the, my mother is trained. My mother My mother is trained classical dance. Classical dancer. DANCER. So that's why in this sentence, this is called the subject. It is called subject, and later on all are the predicate. In a sentence, the two things are essential, and these things are subject and the predicate. Subject, the work which is done by a particular person, it is called the subject, and the work which is done by whom, the work which is done by whom, and it is called the predicate. My mother is trained the classical dancer. It is my mother. What is the function of the mother? The mother have to train the classical dance. Another questions I give you. All citizens must have voter ID card. And now the questions arise in your mind. Sir, what is the meaning of ID? ID means then identification in the sense of who are you, without any proof. Suppose you are telling I am the student of Bihar Central School, so that's why whatever the proofs you have. So now you can see, sir, this is my school diary, and in that diary have to prescribe by the school management. It is also a proof. In other school, you can see the school management have to provide then the diary, and now one the voting. Now the identity card refers in which class you are studying. So all these things, all citizens must have the voter ID card, because the person have to indicating that man have to belongs to which state, which country. The citizenship have to get given by a country. So that is called, here is called the subject, and rest is called predicate. And the other questions like this. So this is the other type of the questions, and now I think you have to enjoy best, and if any problem arise, the next class I will try to do better. Thank you for this.